Most men don't have a bad home. That's not the issue. The problem is that one thing is off, and it drags everything else down with it. You can have good furniture, you can have a decent layout, maybe you've even put money into the space. But if this isn't right, the entire room feels unfinished. My name is Chaudhry, and today I'm showing you what this is and how to fix it properly. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the thumbs up. If you are new here, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be a subscriber. Remember that if you would like our help in designing your room, you can have that help by clicking the link in the description below. What do you see when you look at most homes? Is it that they're missing effort? Not usually. They're missing direction. And that shows up in one very specific place first. It's the foundation of the room. Not the walls, not the furniture, but what everything is sitting on. Your rug. Countless people get it wrong. It's too small or it's too thin. Either way, it was clearly an afterthought. And when that happens, the room never finds its footing. It feels like everything is floating, disconnected. You can upgrade your sofa, you can buy a better coffee table, but if the rug underneath doesn't anchor the space, none of it sits the way it should. A proper rug does something subtle but powerful. It pulls everything into one system. It gives the room weight. It tells your eye, these items, they belong together. Without that message, you don't have a tailored room. You have a collection of objects. Choosing the right paint color is one of the most common issues we see. How could it not be? There are thousands of options, and it's very easy to go down the wrong path. There are 5 paint colors we've returned to again and again because they consistently create the kind of outcome that we're after: depth, weight, and a sense of control in the room. I put those together in a short guide called Stop Guessing Paint Colors. You can find that in the description below as well. There are a few ways that a rug can go wrong, but one of them is a repeat offender. Can you guess what that is? Scale. If your rug only fits under the coffee table, it's too small. If your furniture is sitting around it instead of on it, it's too small. A good rule is this: your main seating should sit on the rug, or at the very least, the front legs should. That's what brings everything together. That's what makes the room feel unified. Secondly, material is something to pay attention to. This is where quality shows. Thin, cheap rugs, they flatten the entire space. They don't absorb light, and they don't add depth. They just sit there. A proper wool rug, a textured neutral, or even a well-chosen Persian, they add richness, and you can feel their presence. Everything is more composed, more complete. You've probably felt it before, but couldn't pinpoint why. Why does this room feel right? More than likely, it was the foundation working. Thirdly, having the right rug is going to help your room work together more seamlessly. Your furniture choices improve because you can see the scale of the room. For example, you'll better understand how large the sofa should be because you'll know how much space you have to work with. Your layout starts to make more sense because the rug is defining where people will gather. It's showing you where things belong instead of you trying to figure it out from scratch. Your lighting will start to feel more effective because now it has something to fall onto. Better texture, better material, and more depth. The room can actually absorb the light instead of everything just bouncing around without direction. So if your space feels off right now, don't start with more decor. Don't start replacing everything. Fix the foundation first and see how that goes. Get the scale right, choose the right material, anchor the room properly. You might surprise yourself with this powerful adjustment. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you feel like sticking around a while, feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.